In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help your consultant deliver the best Smartsheet solution so your project runs smoothly and meets your team's needs. First, clearly define your goals before the project begins. Let your consultant know exactly what you want to achieve, whether it's workflow automation, reporting, dashboards, or project tracking. Next, share your current processes and any challenges your team is facing. Providing detailed information helps your consultant understand what's working and what needs improvement. It's also important to identify key stakeholders early in the project. Make sure the people who will use the solution are involved and able to provide input when needed. Then, provide the necessary access and permissions so your consultant can review your sheets, reports, and workspaces without unnecessary delays. As the solution is being developed, stay open to recommendations and best practices. Your consultant may suggest approaches that improve efficiency and simplify your workflow. Be sure to test the solution as it's built and provide feedback. This helps ensure any issues are addressed before the final rollout. Finally, request training, documentation, or a walkthrough so your team understands how to use and maintain the solution moving forward. That's it. You've learned how to help your consultant deliver the best Smartsheet solution. Thanks for watching.